Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can add like photo strips to your Instagram stories. I'm not sure like how new this feature is, but I just found out about it. They used to have like the Polaroids, but I think they changed it to like the photo strips. I don't know if the Polaroid thing still exists, but it looks like photo booth pictures if you like click on it. Anyways, let's go to the your story button. I'll just use pictures of Brian. Like, I hope he doesn't mind. Okay, let's just use this for the background. And then let's go to stickers. And then there's the photo strip. So let's do that one. You can choose up to 4 photos, but I like it when it's like 3. So let's choose this one. And then this one. And let's do this. Then we're going to press the check mark button. And it looks something like this. It's super cool. You can also press on it to change the effect. There's 3. So this is the normal one. There's the black and white one, and there's the like transparent one. Let's see what it looks like when there are like 4 photos instead of 3. And like maybe if there's only 2. So let's do that. I don't know why I chose that picture. This is what it looks like if there are 4 photos. And then this is what it looks like if there's, okay, I guess one picture is like the Polaroid itself. Gosh, this picture is so good. Okay, I just wanted to say he looks good, but anyways, that's what one picture looks like. And this is what 2 pictures looks like. So this is 2, but I still prefer the like 3 pictures for the photo strip. It looks like the most like the photo strips you get from a photo box, photo booth, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. I wonder if you can do more than 2, like 1. Hold on. Let me actually try that. My gosh, you can! This is so cool. Sorry. But yeah, that is it. Thank you so much for watching, and let me know what you think about this feature and if you like it or not. I personally like it. Can I talk? No, I can't. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye.